Study hard what interests you the most in the most undisciplined, irreverent, and original manner possible. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. What I cannot create, I do not understand. I would rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. I learned very early the difference between knowing the name of something and knowing something. To not know math is a severe limitation to understanding the world. Scientists are explorers, philosophers are tourists. The only way to deep happiness is to do something you love to the best of your ability. Religion is a culture of faith. Science is a culture of doubt. Never confuse education with intelligence. You can have a PhD and still be an idiot. I think it's much more interesting to live not knowing than to have answers which might be wrong. There is no learning without having to pose a question, and a question requires doubt. If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. Mathematics is a language plus reasoning. It is like a language plus logic. Mathematics is a tool for reasoning. I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics. People who wish to analyze nature without using mathematics must settle for a reduced understanding. The highest forms of understanding we can achieve are laughter and human compassion. Experiment is the sole judge of the validity of any idea. Do not read so much. Look about you and think of what you see there. Tell your son to stop trying to fill your head with science, for to fill your heart with love is enough. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.